Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on this wonderful old Olympia espresso machine. This came in with a faulty pump, so we replaced the pump. We just did a little bit to it. It's been working great for many years, and let's see how the shot comes up. Small basket, so I put about 14 grams in there. Some nice fresh coffee. Maybe a little fine for that machine. But anyway, look at that. It's coming out very nice. We're going to go ahead and cut the shot a little short. But there we go. Nice crema. Let's check the steam. Nice strong steam. Thank you very much for pairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.